Yes, you are welcome to Prestec TV. Watch now. Just watch the TV now and practice it now for it to take action, for it to verify and make money online. Here's the Make Money Online TV. So it's Prestec TV GH, and any phone and internet strategies to make money online we do here. Welcome to Prestec TV. We serve with passion. Today we are going to learn how to remove image background irrespective of the background that you have. This is the app Remove BGA. It is on the Play Store. You can go and click on it. And today we'll move on step by step the procedures we can use to remove image background. So I'll leave the app link in the video description below so that when you click on it, it will direct you straight to the Play Store. Click on Upload Image. Yes, click on Upload Image. Please subscribe to the channel for you to be verified when we upload a new video. Click on Upload Image. When you click on Upload Image, it will direct you to your camera and where your images are So I have my images on photos, so I'll click on photos. If you like camera, you can click on camera. So I'll click on photos. When I click on photos, all my images that have been saved in my photos will pop up. So I'll select one with background or one I want to remove the background. So I'll choose the camera. I'll select the camera. So when you click on it, it will go back and the app API will automatically remove the background, remove the image background smoothly for you. So I'm highly recommending this app for graphic designers or anyone who wants to remove the image background. After it has been removed successfully, please click on download for you to download the image into your phone storage. So click on download. Click on download. Yes. Boom. Here we are. The background has been removed successfully, and that's the camera I selected. You see the background has been removed successfully, and as you can see, you can also remove your background irrespective of the background. If only you want the picture, you can remove the background and place it in a different place. So you can add a different background as well. So here is it. You can remove thousands of image background at a moment. So when you click on the app, then you go to remove background. Here is the first one I removed. Then I click on upload image. Then I'll click on photos where my images are or my photos are located. Then select the picture I want to remove the background. So I'm highly recommend this for graphic designers. I have selected the CorelDRAW image. So the CorelDRAW image, I want to remove the background and place it in my design because I want my design to be very nice. So when you upload or click on upload it and you select the image you want to remove the background, that's what it will be. It will automatically remove the background for you. It is loading. Boom, the background has been successfully removed. Here we are, CorelDRAW. You see the background has been removed. So when you click on download, it will automatically download it into your phone storage. Yes, it will automatically download into your phone storage. My network is slow here, that's why you see some round or loading button there. Yes, it is done. So I can use this to do any design I want without any background, which will beautify your design. So here is the ending of this video. Please subscribe to the channel, follow us Prestec TV, and subscribe, share to your friends for them to also know how to remove image background successfully. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.